Alright, so I ordered a shed off Temu. And the shed has arrived. So we're gonna build a platform and put it together. Never buy on Temu, ever. Alright, so I'm not gonna put it together today, but I couldn't resist. I just want to open it and see what the heck I just bought. Wow. Well, it's definitely a shed. Here's our window.
No. Yes. No.
I don't know what this is. Our vents. I guess it's all here. There's like a plastic all over it. We're not gonna put it together tonight. Is this our window?
Window?
Nope, that's all hardware.
That's? Oh. That's.
6x6 garden shed, $215 off of Temu. So, like I said before, I'm gonna build a platform for it and all that good stuff in the backyard. Probably start working on that on Saturday. But yeah, this will be a fun video, I think. So the day has come for me to put this shed together. It's actually gonna be quite complicated because there's just a lot of parts. The instructions are very kind of complicated, should I say? Kind of hard to understand what they're saying. I don't think they were made very good. So I'm gonna set up the camera and just try to figure it out. I guess I'll start with this page right here because I'm gonna do a wooden floor. And just so you know, so it's not tall enough for me to stand in it. So basically what I'm gonna do, build like a foot wooden frame around the bottom and bring the shed up to where I can walk in it. I'm also gonna put a deck off the side of it too, so I can work on stuff outside in the summertime. I have my helper today. He's back there. Hi, Axel. It's Daddy, it's not Will. It's a bad habit of his calling me Will. All right, I'm gonna get started. Wish me luck. This shed is off of Temu, so it's probably not the greatest condition. All right, so I got the bottom done. Like I said before, I'm not gonna do their flooring. I'm gonna raise it up and do my own flooring. Maybe we're just really stupid in America, or the Chinese are really smart, but that took a little bit to figure out what to do. So now I'm gonna move on to the next stage. So yeah, it's very complicated. I'm still trying to figure out how I'm going to do this. So, but I'm moving along. So far, so good. It's just going to take a while to figure out exactly how this is supposed to come together. This thing is way complicated. I bought one from Lowe's not too long ago, and it was a lot less complicated. This is ridiculous, but we're getting there. I've had to switch some of the stuff around at the bottom. We're gonna keep moving forward. All right, so I started putting the metal around it. So far, so good. We'll keep tackling it. Oh my gosh. Oh gosh. Ooh. That's not right. Yeah, it is.
Are you having fun yet?
Not really, actually, I'm not gonna lie. This is very complicated.
3 hours in.
Is it that long already?
Yes.
Oh my gosh.
Let's see what you got.
What's that block? No, I got it figured out. What's...
I thought it was part of your YouTube video.
Oh, I guess you could send it to me for YouTube. She's getting some of the cool shots on YouTube with like the hot guy, the impact, stuff that people actually like to watch on YouTube.
Whew.
Okay. Doorway goes here. I gotta put metal all the way around. I'm gonna turn it this way so the door is facing that way. The window's gonna be over here, which will be over here. So then the kitchen's right there. So if she needs me to come inside, I can close the window. So this is where it's gonna go pretty quickly. But I think I'm gonna take a break so my wife can cook dinner. Then we'll clean up, say the rosary, put the kids to bed, and then I'll film the rest with flashlights. Or at least keep working on it. It'll probably take a few days to get it done. Never buy from Temu. I could actually get my metal laid out. Q1, Q1, Q5, Q1, Q3.
China.
Yeah. So I can just go bubble bubble for this side. And then the back, thanks Temu for not explaining what the back is. See, so the back's gonna be Q3, Q3, Q3. 1, 2, 3. So that's the back. One, two, three. That's the back. And then this side here is going to be Q3 and then 4. Are you really still filming?
Yeah.